Good morning, guys. It is Friday. I am super excited. I got a good rest last night. I've cooked breakfast. We made lunch boxes last night, so that's ready to go. I'm gonna make my oatmeal for breakfast, and I'm gonna have some fruit on the side. Probiotics. Every morning, I take 2 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon before I eat breakfast and lunch, or breakfast and dinner. And then I take a prescription medicine for heartburn and gas, because I have excessive gas. My stomach does too much. So sometimes when I'm like super bloated, it causes just a lot of stomach issues. So this medicine has been helping with that. And so I take those and my allergy medicine in the morning, every morning. So. Good afternoon, everybody. It is 4:43. I have 2 students left. They should be leaving shortly, but I'm just cleaning up so that when they leave, I don't have to like be cleaned up while they're gone. I can get right off. It's been a good Friday. I switched around the classroom. I do that often, but I put the classroom the way I initially wanted it. So when my students leave, I'll give you a quick like little tour. Well, since we're vlogging, I guess I'll show you the bad. My desk leg fell off. So there it is. I gotta find one of those little L-shaped things. I gotta find one of those little L-shaped things to screw it back on. But I don't know where they are. We had like a bunch of them at one time. My hair is just all over the place. But now I don't know where they've gone. So I'm gonna go look for one of those. All right, so the desk was a fail. I ended up finding the little thing, but I think the the holes are just worn in too much. But while I was moving it from that corner all the way over here, it fell off. So probably me like pushing on it and stuff, I don't know, or maybe it's just wear and tear. I've had it for maybe 2 years now. But anyway, it's fine. I have that white table. The wings come out. So I'll just utilize that until maybe I can figure out how to fix this or buy another desk. But yeah, that's it. So I'm about to go work on it. Guys, I'm in this big old bonnet. I'm about to go to bed. I told myself I was gonna organize or set up the white desk, that table that I have down there. Did not do it. So that'll be tomorrow's or Sunday's vlog. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm going to read my Bible, do a little Bible study, and just turn HGTV and knock out. I love y'all. Thank y'all for the love on the Vlogmas. It's fun, but it's kind of weird because it's like I don't do anything, but I want to like keep doing it. You know what I mean? It's almost addictive. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodnight. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.